Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about EC2 instance endpoints like VPC endpoints, like how to connect private instance using the endpoints in VPC, right? Earlier we are uh, using jump box, yeah, one public server, and then we can connect to the private server instance. So we are going to discuss about the EC2 instance connect endpoints. Okay, so let's start. Basically, what we are going to do first step, we just need to create EC2 instance endpoint plus endpoint SG and plus rules, right? Okay, initially, and then EC2 instance SG and rules, right? Key point of this, right? Rules, protocol, and IAM policy as per the productions. Okay, so we are going to start right now endpoints. So let's start. Okay, guys, in the VPC sections, right? VPC sections, we are coming into this, right? And this is the endpoint. We are going to create our endpoint. This is EC2 instance connect endpoint, right? And we have already a VPC. If you want to see as per the production how to create VPC and all, right, so you can go my VPC playbook playlist. I have already created. So this is the endpoint SG, right? Okay, and uh, select a subnet. So I'm going to select private subnet. Okay, and create an endpoint. It will take some time. So, okay, so let me show you the security group. This is we created, right? What we have right now. Okay, we all the rules. Nothing in inbound roles right now. Okay, and just go to the outbound rules. There is nothing outbound. Okay, so now it will take some time to create endpoints. Okay, so it is still. So we will create a EC2 as well. An EC2 instance we are going to create, and launch instance endpoint testing endpoints demo server. Just go to this, right? Linux 2, Amazon 2. I hope rest of the things you know about that. KPL, private subnet. For VPC I have already created, right? One. Then private subnet SG. I will show you the rules as well, right? Okay. Rest of this, right? This is the similar. Launch it is EC2 instance. Going to SG, which we have already selected. Private SG. Inbound. I will show you exactly how the things will come in the productions, right? My main isn't to educate as per the productions, so that's why I'm deleting entire rules and all, right? Okay, so basically this server, it's private subnet, and if I'm talking about details and the security networking. This is the private IP. There is no public IP. Okay, guys. So let's hold for a moment. So let's check the endpoint first. Okay, and the status is available right now. Now we can use this endpoints, right? So our first agenda to connect using this endpoint private subnet instance which doesn't have a public IP, right? Okay, so let's do that. Okay, test server. Sorry, this is the one, right? So let's do that, right? Connect. This is coming, and this is the endpoint, right? Which we have created. Okay, AFB, right? Go AFB. Okay, EC2 user because our default user is EC2. Let's go. So because we did not add any rules and all, right, so hopefully it will not work. So that is coming this. Okay, so what is the rules need to be added in as per our this, right? EC2 endpoint SG rules and create SG and this rules. Okay, we didn't add anything, so now we are going to add instance endpoint SG rules. Okay, as you already were aware about that, okay, this is our SG. So what rules? This is the major one, right? If you are going to create endpoint and inbound and outbound rules, so this is the major, right? Otherwise you will not able to connect. So we just need to add custom TCP protocol 22 and self SG ID. Self SG, this is EC2 instance connect. So same SG we just need to add. Okay. One more rule, TCP custom 22, and then subnet range, which subnet we are going to create. Private subnet 192.168.5.0 because this is private subnet range. Okay, save rules. So this is endpoint part is completed. So let's do that once again, try. Okay, so let's do that. I think we have completed first part. Still we are going to get, like, still we are facing issues, right? Okay, it will not be completed. So this is yet failed. Okay, let's go again. Our diagram, we have created EC2 in the private subnet. Create a SG, already one SG is attached, and add a rule, TCP rule allowed by the endpoint SG ID. Okay, understood? Go, and our security SG rule. Okay, this is the SG rule. We just need to add the same, like add rule TCP 2022 and which SGID endpoint. So this is the EC2 connect endpoint SG. We just need to add first. And in our demo, this is the key point rules that now is done, and IAM policy. So we need to attach the IAM policy. I have already created. I just want to show you only, because in the EC2 instance connect endpoint scenario, we just need to create a role, manual role, right? EC2, like this is the role, and we have attached these two policies. So EC2 instance connect and this, right? So you can see this, right? Add it. I have added journal policy, right? Not much more, right? This is the version, and this is the policy. A public IP EC2 instance connect, and then this is ARN of this, This is the elastic endpoint ARN. Okay, the 45453, right? We are going to update, right? Let's go for endpoint URL. Okay, this is the only change we need to update. This is the ARN we are going to change. Okay guys, and next, this is a default policy, I would say. This is a default policy which we need to take care, and we need to copy and paste similar type of that, right? Nothing more than that. We can get it online through this, right? And this need to be attached with EC2 instance. Go, action, security, modify. This is the role we just need to attest. Okay, so now we have done a lot, and I would say we create endpoint SG rules added, create EC2, create SG, add a TCP rule, and then rules added, and I am policy also, I am role also added, right? Policy I have written, I am role, I have added with EC2 server. So let's go for that. Connect, again connect. Now hopefully we are able to connect, right? Okay, this is still not connected, so let's hold for a moment. Hello everyone, now issue is resolved, so let's discuss what is the issue. So this is the issue of a security group rules, right? I told you what need to be endpoint SG rules. Okay, so let me do, this is the security group. Okay, let me show you. So basically we have added last time in inbound. Okay, so there is no need to add inbound. Basically by mistakenly I have added rules in inbound. Same rules we have to add in outbound section. This is the same security group ID. This is the same security group ID 8086, and this is the private subnet range. Okay, so we just need to add this, right? And this is the our EC2, sir, EC2. So let's check about the inbound of EC2. So this is, I think, endpoint SG. This is endpoint SG, and this is the private subnet range. Okay, in the inbound rules, and EC2 inbound rules and outbound rules. Okay, same need to be opened in outbound as well, and I have to add it here, only outbound rules, and here both rules need to be added. Okay, so inbound and outbound, and this is the rules which we need to know about that, right? And let's go for the endpoint server once again. Let me show you. This is connect. Here we need to issue to instance. Make sure you are right endpoint you need to select. Okay, might be you have a production multiple endpoints. Okay guys, if you like this, so kindly do share and subscribe. Make sure the SG rules and IAM, okay, this need to be taken care. This is as per the complete production. Okay, and I'll show you once more IAM policies. So which roles we have attached. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, roles, name first, security, modify. This is the IAM role. EC2 instance connect role is attached with server. Go to the role section. This is EC2 instance role. We have a EC2 instance. This is the AWS managed policy, and this is customer inline, right? Okay, I added for you. It's specific. We can get it directly from AWS console, this policy, and I think I will show you. This is the policy. This is the policy I have copied, okay, directly, Linux one. Okay, so you can see here. This is the policy I have copied. This is my uh, endpoint instance connect endpoint. Okay, ARN, and rest is similar. Okay, hope you guys understood my main point. Okay, what we need to add in endpoint outbound EC2 and all key points, rules, protocol, and IAM policy. If you like this video, kindly do share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.